To recover deleted messages on Messenger, start by checking your archived messages, as the message you're looking for may be stored there. Open the Messenger app on your iPhone or Android phone. Select the menu button at the top left and choose Archived. Within the Archived section, you can unarchive and recover messages by swiping them from right to left. To recover deleted messages, open a browser on your phone or computer and navigate to facebook.com. Log into your Facebook account. Select the menu button at the top right and choose Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the Settings page and select Download Your Profile Information under the Your Information section. This will allow you to download your information, including any deleted messages on Messenger. When downloading your information, make sure to select Messages and choose the date range that contains the messages you want to recover. Set the format to HTML and the media quality to medium or low to ensure the download is not too large. Once you've created the file, wait for it to become available. Then download and open the zip file. Within the downloaded folder, find the Messages folder, which contains your conversations, including deleted messages, with timestamps and other details. If you're unable to find the message you're looking for in your archived messages, this download process should allow you to recover deleted messages on Messenger.